We're back again in the Locomotive. Always a good day when MOW gets to ride in the Locomotive. I had another problem today. There a couple weeks ago, we had 3098 had the problems with the radio interference, and what happened was they put a new system in that linked into our radio that if the fire suppression system went off, it would make an announcement over the radio. So that was goofing things up. We unplugged those, and that took care of the problem. The fire suppression guys have been called to try to reconfigure and go from there. But here today, it's coming up track. Do some joint bar repairs. Anyway, I got a call that 22 Loco shut down. So we're here at number 22. This was built in December of 1978 for Yankeetown Dock. And the guy called the operator. He's up here. We're up here loading the cars right now. And they called me and said we had an engine alarm on 22. It wouldn't respond. So I'd come up here and get in the cab. We don't know what the problem was, but down here we had a bell going on, and right down here is called a ground reset. You got to push that button in. That clears the whatever it was, the engine alarm. Then we got to go into here. I had two lights on this card right here, and right here is a reset, so I had to reset that. Okay, and that cleared everything. Then he was able to get this link back up. So here we are. We're loading these cars. Yeah, Vinny, when I made that last video on 3098, of course that's our SD 40-2 from doing this, but I was actually running it. A lot of guys had written in saying, boy, they'd like to hear the sound of this, of our SD 38-2 doing this. So here you go, fellas. All right, we'll be back here in a bit with a little bit more. Okay, I thought I'd show you this up close a little bit better. This card. When that thing tripped, I'm trying to remember which one it was. This is several days later here. I know the ground relay light was on, and I believe it was a hot engine light. But had it been an actual hot engine, you know, a sensor could have just tripped off for something, or a little high temperature. I don't remember. I don't know. But had it really actually been a hot engine, then this would have not either this would not have set back up, or it would have tripped again. Had the engine been hot, then we would have investigated. Okay, but since it reset, everything was all right. So there you are. These are the different faults. Okay, that would be there you go. And this has a little cover on it where the other one didn't, for your reset. Here's what the other side of the card looks like. And it just plugs in, plug and play. And then this is the other side of the card. Those are your lights on the other side. It just amazes me that somebody has the electrical know-how to be able to design and engineer something like this and make it all work. And we have a spare card over here. This is in our little shop. They have a spare card for every card that we have. So if these cards do go bad at times, the whole card will just go bad, get all goofy, and they can come over here and grab one and whatever they need. You see they're all different. AN17, that would be a TH14, DE12. You see they're all different. SA10. All right, very good. Let's we'll get you right back to our show in progress. All right, hope you enjoy the rest of the show. Put your headphones on and turn the volume up. It's pretty cool sounds. All right. 6 empties to go. It's 31 loaded cars we're shoving right now, plus the 6 empties. Got a lot of rain last night. I got some water laying in my track. It rained all night long. Felt that or not, I was wheel slipped. There it goes again.